Hi, Jim Campbell from Mayday Industries, introducing our 4-person deluxe honey bucket kit. This kit is one of the best on the market and contains the following items: 4 drinking packs, 6 packs in a 1-liter reusable pouch, 4.225 ounces each pack, a 15-inch pry bar, 6 wet naps, a 5-in-1 survival whistle, toilet deodorant, 50 tablets for water purification, waterproof matches, 40 count, 4 emergency ponchos, toilet liners, leather palm work gloves, a 12-hour light stick, 4 2,400 calorie emergency food bars. Each food bar is perforated into 6 400 calorie sections and are low in sodium to reduce the thirst factor while providing all of your daily multiple vitamin allowances. A 54-piece first aid kit, a utility knife, an emergency water and gas shutoff tool. This is a non-sparking tool. 4 dust masks, 4 Mylar blankets. These Mylar blankets retain 90% of your body heat. A roll of duct tape. And our Dynamo FM 3 LED flashlight. Just a few cranks produces 30 minutes of radio time or 1 hour of light. All contained in this crush-proof honey bucket, which turns into a toilet.